Hey, we didn't get a chance to chat.
Yeah, I'm gutted.
You're Frankie Doyle, aren't you?
Yeah.
Heard a lot about you.
What?
Why don't you come and see me? Yeah, this isn't achieving anything, Frankie.
You're all talk. I prefer action.
Frankie, give it up!
And a boiling oil in somebody's face. She's a drug dealer and a violent delinquent.
News.
You're not wearing any underwear? Walk out of those gates. Well, this place and everyone in it is just a smoking pile of ashes. I don't want to be picked up by a hot girl in a hot car and driven off into the sunset. This is your last chance.
See you tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Thanks, Gidget.
Bridget.
I prefer Gidget.
Now you're turning me on.
I'd rather you were motivated than aroused. Polly's are nervous, you know. Pressure's on to keep you guys locked up. This report is more important than ever.
Well, now I'm motivated and aroused.
Sorry.
You can stick your sorry up your ass.
Why won't you answer my question?
Answer mine. Trust is a two-way street. You know all about me, so why don't you tell me about yourself? I want dirt.
Well, I can't give you dirt. You know that. You want to talk about your mum?
We're not talking about her.
Why not?
Because I don't give a shit about her.
You're not a murderer.
You don't know shit!
I know you're not a killer.
Yes, I am!
Yeah, well, who have you killed?
I fucking killed Meg Jackson! Do you still think I'm a good person, do you? What I told you before, I was making shit up.
Yeah. Figured that.
Like, I want to see you.
Our appointments have been cancelled.
Everything's fucking awesome.
Well, I'm not surprised you feel like that. Prison's a boring place. Especially for a smart woman like you.
Think I'm smart, do you?
Of course I do. Girls won't talk. You can tell me anything. I want to get inside that mind of yours.
Just my mind. Look, Gidget, I get what you're trying to do.
I understand you.
Now poke me. See if I bite.
Disappointed, Frankie? Professionally and personally.
Like I give a fuck.
Ms. Westfall, is there trouble?
No trouble. We're done.
Suits you, by the way. How does it taste?
Frankie.
I hate it here.
I know. I want you to be serious.
I am.
You must be...
Hey. Miss me?
Yeah.
Thanks. Hey, Miss Westfall.
To be with a woman I love, the bitch had moved on. She's screwing some skinny ass scrag in fancy fucking clothes.
What's Kim Chang's problem?
She must be jealous.
What of?
Well, you tell me.
Time I did that.
She uses empathy to her advantage.
You think so?
And people are drawn to her because of it.
Does that include you?
I think I've answered that question, Governor. These rumours aren't going away.
Is that why the door's open? So no one thinks we're in here going bumper to bumper?
Fucking hell, Frankie. We're living in a fishbowl. The the parole board get wind of it, they're going to question every recommendation that I make. This is in your best interests.
This is not about my interests. This isn't even about the rumours. This is about what I told you.
No, it's got nothing to do with
It's
that.
got everything to do with that. It's what you're in love with me?
No.
So you just want to fuck me? I can live with that.
I can't.
I thought we weren't doing this anymore.
We can still talk.
What do you want to talk about?
Do you miss me?
I can't.
I know. I know.
Not yet, not yet.
Gidget? What's going on?
Back away from the fence, Doyle.
They're getting rid of you. Fuck. What about my parole? I'm never going to get out of here.
You'll be right.
I'm sorry.
You did nothing wrong.
Miss Westfall.
I'll be at your hearing, okay?
Now. Will you support me?
Absolutely. But after Frankie Doyle's parole is granted.
I was drunk again, causing accident. So you're not a friend, no you're nothing. I think I should be a little more confident.
Frankie, what are you doing here? Frankie, we can't. Stop.
Meet me.
It's time to feed Puss. To deal with this.
Are we? Get him off then.
Come and get him then.
Take him off. Go on, get him off. I want my undies back, you thieving minx.
Interview, how was that?
Oh, sucked big hairy balls like all the rest of them. I'm not going to get it.
Why?
Why?
Ferguson has been remanded at Wentworth until her trial.
No fucking way.
Mm-hmm. And she asked after you.
No fucking way.
Now,
You're kicking me out.
If Vera reports you to your parole officer and you're not living where you said you were living, they're going to ship you straight back there.
And I will fucking kill her.
Frankie.
No, fuck that, Gidge. I have fought hard for this and you know. For the first time. Fine. I'm out of here. Anyone in the house?
no. There's someone in here.
You know, everything seemed clearer in prison. And I thought that was somehow comforting, so I went back.
Did it help?
Acknowledging the fear. You know what you say? I just wanted to tell you. Thank you. I need to be able to stand on my own 2 feet.
Sounds like a breakthrough.